Featuring over 2,000 square feet on a half-acre lot, this house, built by Quality Crafted Homes, is located in the cliffs of Rolling Oaks in the Carroll School District. The breathtaking curb appeal is brought to you by professional landscaping, a beautiful stone facade, and copper gutter accents. Boasting 3 bedrooms plus a den with an open concept, you can always enjoy having your own space, or you can come together with everyone and host with ease. The great room features a tray ceiling with stained wood beams, a large picture glass window with views of the pond, and a gas log fireplace flanked by built-in shelving. Cooking in this gourmet kitchen with a vaulted ceiling is any chef's dream. Furnished with quartz countertops, Moroccan ceramic tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, plus an oversized walk-in pantry, you'll always want to cook dinners in. Relax and enjoy nature out back on the covered concrete patio and take in the pond views. The den area is right off of the foyer with built-in bookcases and a custom barn door for choice of privacy. The spacious master ensuite is finished with tray ceilings, a chevron accent wall, river marble walk-in shower, dual vanities, and a huge master closet. This home has great proximity to the Bicentennial Woods hiking trail and the future Pufferbelly Trail extension. Come and experience all this area, and especially this home, has to offer. Call Wendy France to find out more.